and gentlemen, was Kangana Ranaut stalled by the censor board on the instructions of the BJP in view of the upcoming Haryana elections? I'm not saying this. This is a claim that has been made by the producers of the film in the Bombay High Court today. The makers were in court seeking a release date for their film after the censor board stalled the certification. The court was amazed at the claim and asked if the BJP would do something to harm its own MP. Let's not forget that Kangana Ranaut is also a co-producer of the film and has claimed that she has invested her life savings on this film that is based on Indira Gandhi and the imposition of emergency. Sikh groups who already have no love lost for Kangana have opposed this film. Now, the filmmakers are saying, and this is what they have said in court today, that the BJP does not want to offend the community before the Haryana elections, and therefore the censor board is stalling the film, not giving them a release date. As a result, the court had some very tough words for the censor board, and there was some relief for Kangana Ranaut as well. The court has asked the censor board to not sit on the fence and take a decision on the film's certification by September 25th. Either way, they said the board cannot say no to certifying a film just because there is an apprehension of law and order issues. The court emphasized on the fact that the nation is not that naive to take everything that a film says seriously. The court is also saying that creative freedom cannot be curtailed like this. The High Court has now directed the film board to come up with a decision by September 25th. It has said that if the censor board doesn't want the film to be released, then it should say this loud and clear and shouldn't care about what will affect public order. They are saying, essentially, law and order is not your concern. Let the police deal with it. You do your job. Now, Kangana Ranaut's film, Emergency, also stars Anupam Kher and Shreyas Talpade. It is centered around 1975, which is a time when then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi had imposed emergency in the country. The film was earlier scheduled to hit theatres on September 6th, but still does not have a release date. Emergency, the film, got embroiled into a controversy following complaints from Sikh groups who claim that it misrepresents their community. My guest this evening, Aruna Mukim, is a former member of the censor board. She's joining us on the broadcast. We have Maheshinder Singh Garewal, who's a vice president and spokesperson of the Shiromani Akali Dal, joining us on the broadcast as well. Maheshinder ji, thank you very much for being with us. Ravi Rai is a film producer. He's a director as well. Priyadarshini Singh is an actress. Thank you all very much. Aruna Mukim ji, today what has happened in the Bombay High Court, is it an embarrassment for the censor board or not? The fact is that this film was supposed to be released on September 6th, but the censor board is simply sitting on the fence, not giving them a date. Why?
Not at all, ma'am. Ye words, sitting on the fence, is a bit harsh. Censor board इतना जो भी काम करता है वो सिनेमाटोग्राफी एक्ट के अंडर काम करता है और क्योंकि सरकार बीजेपी की है, कंगना रानावत बीजेपी से हैं, एमपी हैं और इन्फ्लुएंशियल एमपी हैं और उनका कहना है कि उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ लॉन्ग सेविंग्स इस मूवी पे लगाई है और इस मूवी के अंदर उन्होंने इमरजेंसी के बारे में बताया, इंदिरा गांधी के बारे में बताया और जहाँ तक सिखों का सवाल है, सिखों ने इसको अपोज किया है। मैंने खुद ने ये फिल्म देखी नहीं है, इसलिए मैं डिटेल में तो नहीं बता सकती, पर जहाँ पर भी किसी कम्युनिटी के बारे में कुछ ऐसा बोला जाता है जिससे उनकी इमोशंस हर्ट हों, तो सेंसर बोर्ड को पूरा हक है कि वो उसे एक बार के लिए रोके, सोचे कि कहीं ये फिल्म रिलीज़ होने के बाद कहीं दंगे भड़क जाए तो इसकी जिम्मेदारी कौन लेगा। जो सेंसर बोर्ड मेंबर इसके ऊपर साइन करेगा वो फुल रिस्पॉन्सिबल लोग होते हैं जिनको मेंबर्स बनाया जाता है, तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है आपके ऊपर कि कहीं अगर आप कहीं किसी गलत चीज़ पे साइन तो नहीं कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने देखा, उन्होंने नहीं समझ आया तभी उन्होंने रोका। अक्सर आपने देखा नहीं होगा किसी फिल्म को रुकते हुए, रिलीज ना होते हुए कहीं कुछ ऑब्जेक्शनेबल होता है तो एक आध सीन काट दिया जाता है क्या, या उनको म्यूट कर दिया जाता है उस सीन को। पूरी
अरुणा
मूवी
जी,
ही रोकी जा रही है।
अरुणा जी, अगर
तो
हम
ये
एक
बहुत एक
फिल्म को
serious
लेके
matter
इतने
है।
सेंसिटिव हो जाएंगे
Serious
ना,
matter है मैडम।
और हर
जी
कम्युनिटी सब कुछ लेके सेंसिटिव हो जाएगी अरुणा जी, तो कोई फिल्म ही नहीं बन
जी
पाएगी इस देश में। एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस, बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट इज सेइंग इट।
जी
द जज was a Parsi. He said
चलिए मैं आपको
पारसी
इसको
कम्युनिटी
ऐसे,
के बारे
मैं
में तो इतनी
आपको
मजाक
इस
उड़ाई
वर्ड्स
जाती
में
है फिल्म
बोलती
में,
हूँ
क्या
कि
हम लोग भी सेंसिटिव हो जाएं और बोलें कि फिल्म रिलीज ना करें?
मजाक उड़ाना एक अलग बात है, किसी किसी फैक्ट्स को प्रेजेंट करना एक अलग बात है। अगर 18 साल की उम्र में मैडम बच्चों
But
को
that is the entire
ड्राइविंग
point.
लाइसेंस मिल जाता है, करेक्ट। अब ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस के पास उनको अथॉरिटी मिल जाती है कार चलाने की, लेकिन उनकी ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि रेड लाइट पे गाड़ी रोकें। अगर वो गाड़ी रोकेंगे नहीं और उनके पास ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस है, वो बेतहाशा कार चलाते चले जाएंगे तो एक्सीडेंट्स होंगे। इसी तरह से आप मूवी बना रहे हैं, मूवी में
अरुणा
आप
जी,
कुछ
we
भी नहीं
are
डाल
all
सकते।
assuming.
आपके पास फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन के नाम पर उसके
नहीं,
बाद
अरुणा जी, we are all
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आती
assuming
है।
that the film has something that will ignite passions and lead to a law and order situation. Again, the Bombay High Court is saying this. Mahesh ji, please come in here. You're
Correct.
from the Shiromani Akali Dal. Have you
Correct.
seen the film? You haven't seen the film. Aruna ji has not seen the film. I have not seen the film. How are you saying that it will hurt Sikh sentiment?
Not at all.
Who are we to decide before even seeing the film? Mahesh ji.
Shreya, actually, when we have seen the clip of this trailer of this picture on 23rd of August 24, Shiromani Committee wrote a letter to the Minister for Information and Broadcasting. And the objection is, I just read 4 lines. I wish to bring to your kind notice that actor Kanga Ranaut emergency film is getting released on 6th of September. And its trailer with 2 minutes 54 seconds tenure was released on August 14, 24, which has seriously hurt the sentiments of Sikh community worldwide. At 2.30 minutes, the trailer presents a dialogue of film character, most likely a Congress party leader. तुम जानते हो कि हमारी पार्टी को क्या चाहिए? Subsequently, in reply to this dialogue, another character portraying as San Jarnail Singh Khalsa Bhindranwala is heard replying, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੋਟ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਖਾਲਿਸਤਾਨ. Following there are visuals in which some Sikh characters attire are shown firing at the people with the assault rifles. So this was the objection taken by the Shiromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee with the Government of India that this picture paints 2 things wrong. First, showing San Jarnail Singh as conduit of the Congress, and second, the Sikhs are being shown as anti-national and terrorists. After the objections of the Shiromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, many other Sikh organizations also sent their representation to the censor board. And our request is only to this extent, that the portion which...
Are you batting? 1 minute. On this show, are you batting for Jarnail Singh Bhindranwala?
We are batting for San Jarnail
Singh. And saying because Bhindranwala has been shown as Bhindranwala, that is why you have a problem with the film. What is this logic, Garewal ji?
No, Shreya ji, what they are attributing to that dialogue in audio to Bhindranwala is not acceptable to the Sikhs.
And he was a leading figure in the Khalistani movement. We also know that.
No.
How can you come on the show and defend someone like Mr. Bhindranwala?
Just listen me. Just me. Do not heard, I think, San Jarnail Singh Bhindranwala not only once, twice, third time, 100 times he said, we are not for Khalistan. But if somebody will offer us, we will not decline it. See, if you are out to paint him as a terrorist or anti-national, I think the media is not fair to him. He never asked for Khalistan. Second thing, putting 25, 36, firing from AK-47 and killing people indiscriminately, just painting the Sikhs as the killers and the terrorists. This is the price we are getting for our loyalty and contribution to the country. Again, it's a very sad story that one filmmaker, to make film more important,
So the Shiromani Akali Dal will do what it thinks is best for its constituency, for its politics. है ना, Mr.
No,
Garewal,
no.
and what works for you ideologically. I understand that. But the censor board
Shreya,
is supposed to be above all of this. Ravi Rai.
Can I say one thing?
नहीं, एक मिनट, let me get in Ravi Rai. हाँ, बोलिए गरेवाल जी.
Hi. देखिए, one writ was filed in the Honorable High Court, Punjab and Haryana, where the Council for Union of India, the Additional Solicitor General, referring to the provisions of the Act which empowers the censor board, which clearly specifies any portion which creates distrust amongst the communities, which creates division among the communities, or it creates hatred among the communities. We will take care all of these things. And on the assurance of the Additional Solicitor General,
who decides that?
They said.
Who decides that? Ravi Rai. Who decides that? Communities in this country cannot decide what the censor board is going to do.
But
Ravi Rai, the fact is that if
a grievance public,
it has a right to object. 100% you have a right to object. I also criticize and condemn what Kangana Ranaut has said about Sikh farmers who are on protest. She's a motor mouth. She speaks without checking her facts. मैं ये भी आपको बोल रही हूँ गरेवाल जी. But is that reason enough to stall her film? Ravi Rai, the court is very clearly today saying it is not the job of the censor board to sit and anticipate that there could be some communal trouble because of the film. It is not your job. Your job is to decide whether the film can be certified or not. If you don't want to certify the film, say it.
Exactly. I mean, I very thoroughly. And you know what, Shreya, the coming times are getting more scary for people. The freedom of expression, the freedom to express themselves, the authors, the filmmakers, or the independent speakers. You never know from which part of the society. And I personally feel now, I mean, after the film is made, today the films are not made in 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs. I mean, it takes 100 crores and 203. The film business has gone much, much higher. And after the film is due to release, I mean, I'm sure the film was getting a release date in June 24, but they said, नहीं, वो लोकसभा elections है, तो ये सब गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. लोकसभा के बाद फलानी चीज आ गई, फिर हरियाणा elections आ गए, फिर महाराष्ट्र है, फिर बंगाल है, फिर यूपी है. I mean, I just want to ask the madam who's from the censor board, कि name a film that has dented or made a political party. Any film that has impacted or made a political party. Can you name one film that has taken a party from zero to somewhere in? No, they have not. I mean, the films don't. We just need an excuse. That's it. And I personally, Shreya, am now of an opinion, because it is not Emergency only or Kangana's film. I'm of an opinion now. What should be done is a bound script. I'm talking to you as a filmmaker. I have no leaning anywhere. A bound script should be given to the CBSC. If that is okay, then you spend your money on the film. Otherwise, this is something which is, somebody who spent a lot of money, and then that is very hurting. I mean, monetarily, it's a setback.
Do you believe that actually the censor board has political considerations while sitting on the film as far as Emergency is concerned?
You see, I'll tell you something, Shreya. I mean, how did Kerala file help the political parties in Kerala? They did not. How did Kashmir? Gadar didn't take the political party to Ab Ki Baar 400 Par. These are all the myths and some fairy tales that we take in our head ki ye ho jayega aur wo ho jayega. And mind you, today we are living in a world where you think people don't talk about Bhindranwale on podcasts. They don't talk about Lawrence Bishnoi. They don't talk about Sadhguru. They don't talk about... they talk from anything to everything on podcasts, on TikToks, on Reels. We are just... I mean, we are so scared of exposures. I mean, there have been darker times in our society, in our civilizations. We all have gone through and we know it. Today, as a filmmaker, author, or a director, you want to show that. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with that. You see, you know what, Shreya, the worst thing that has happened to any society, religion, or an individual is the internet. You know, today you deny anything, and internet to the next 15 seconds slaps on your face. We can disown our misdeeds that we have done in the past, but we cannot fight the evolution of internet. That is beating us. You know, that is beating us. That is making us
here's
look
also
like
the
a
point.
dwarf. Yeah.
The snake has come back to bite Kangana Ranaut in many ways. She's part of an ecosystem that encouraged the boycott culture. And now, it's exactly what she's facing as well. But Aruna Mukhim, just come in here and respond to what Mr. Rai is saying. My question to you is simple. The court is saying it is not your job to anticipate whether there will be a law and order situation after the film is released. आपका काम नहीं है ये सब बातें सोचने का. आपका काम है ये देखने का whether you will certify the film or you will not certify the film.
मुझे लगता है.
And by not doing it, you are essentially curtailing creative freedom in this country.
बिल्कुल सेंसर बोर्ड का काम है कि अगर हम कुछ ऐसा सेंसुअल कंटेंट पास कर देते हैं तो बिल्कुल लॉ और ऑर्डर पर बात आती है. और फिर उसके बाद जो मेंबर्स उसको सर्टिफाई करेंगे उनके ऊपर बात आती है. They will be held responsible for that. Censor board will be held responsible for that. IB minister will be held responsible for that. Who is going to take that responsibility, ma'am? सिनेमाटोग्राफी एक्ट के अंडर रहकर काम करते हैं ये लोग सब. जितने मेंबर्स हैं उन्हें पता है कि कौन सी चीज लोगों को के सेंटिमेंट्स को हर्ट करेगी, कौन सी नहीं. हर तबके के लोग होते हैं सेंसर बोर्ड मेंबर्स, रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन्स हैं. तभी उन्हें ऐसी इतनी बड़ी पावर्स दी गई हैं कि आप बताएं फिल्म रिलीज होगी या नहीं. दे ऑल्सो नो कि बहुत सारा पैसा लगा हुआ है. दे ऑल्सो नो कि एक टाइम पर फिक्स टाइम पर मूवी का रिलीज होना प्रोड्यूसर्स के लिए कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट उससे ज्यादा कहीं इंपॉर्टेंट है कि अगर आज ये मूवी रिलीज होती है और सिख कम्युनिटी के अंदर कहीं कोई डिस्टर्बेंसेस आती हैं, इलेक्शंस इसलिए इलेक्शंस तो पास है, इलेक्शंस नहीं भी होते तो इसके अंदर वाकई इतने ऐसे कंटेंट हैं जो अभी इन्होंने बताया कि वो हर्ट करेंगे. तो आप इतना इजीली नहीं ले सकते हैं फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन के नाम पर कुछ भी, और कुछ भी आपके मन में आएगा वही आप बना के परोसोगे. तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कहीं आपकी कहीं ना कहीं क्वेश्चनेबल है, कहीं ना कहीं क्वेश्चनेबल है मैडम वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
तभी तो ठीक है, बट प्रॉब्लम ये है we are the most populous country in this world.
पहले हुआ तो सर
we are 1.4 million people. अगर ये कप भी उठा के मैं पानी पीऊंगी ना मैम, किसी को प्रॉब्लम होगी. You understand? We are a country of 1.4 billion people. And 1.4 billion people, some of them will have a problem with something or the other.
बड़ा मुल्क है.
That doesn't mean that people will not make films that they think they need to make.
आपके ऊपर इतना सा क्वेश्चन कोई उठाएगा उससे मुल्क नहीं चलता है. और आप ये क्यों नहीं सोच रहे हैं कि ये जो सारे मेंबर्स हैं, क्योंकि इस टाइम बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट के बीजेपी के ही लोगों की बनाई गई है वो सेंसर बोर्ड संस्था है, तो कहीं ना कहीं उनको खुद को लग रहा है कि हमारे
मुल्क एक फिल्म के रिलीज होने से भी रुकता नहीं है मैम. मुल्क एक फिल्म के रिलीज होने से रुकता नहीं है. बट रवि राय, just come in. Aruna ji is also making a point. She's like
कंटेंट तभी रोका गया, अब तक कोई मूवी क्यों नहीं रोकी गई?
एक तो मैंने देखी नहीं है फिल्म, आपने नहीं देखी है, शिरोमणि अकाली दल ने नहीं देखी है, किसी ने फिल्म नहीं देखी है. फिल्म का कंटेंट जो है ऑब्जेक्शनेबल है. कैसे है भाई, देखने तो दो फिल्म. रवि राय जी, अरुणा जी हैज अ पॉइंट. वेट, अरुणा जी हैज अ पॉइंट. अरुणा जी रुक जाइए. You have a point. You have a point. I'm going to.
Members responsible थे. जी.
Aruna ji has a point. She's saying if something happens, एक मिनट. She's saying if something happens, who will be responsible? गला पकड़ने के लिए तो सबसे पहले आप सेंसर बोर्ड के पास ही आएंगे ना कि you pass this film, the film was released in theaters and उसके बाद दंगा भड़क गया.
Help those people. No, she will not. She will be busy in her film promotions only. She will not take any responsibility. She will be busy
Ravi ji, quickly respond, then I want to get Priyadarshini in.
And just मतलब अपने आप को स्टार बनाने में वो इतनी ज्यादा बिजी हो जाएंगी कि उन्हें कोई परवाह भी नहीं होगी कितने लोग मरे, कितनी पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी डैमेज हुई, उनको कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला होगा नहीं।
अरे भैया बीजेपी एमपी हैं वो,
तो ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सेंसर बोर्ड,
आप बीजेपी एमपी हैं वो, रवि राय
की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है।
नहीं, मैं तो सबसे पहले तो मैं ये देख रहा हूँ एक सीबीएसई की प्रवक्ता जो हैं वो आप एंटी कंगना बात कर रही हैं या फिल्म की बात कर रही हैं? उसकी पिक्चर की बात कर रहे हैं कि एंटी कंगना की? वो तो बिजी हो जाएगी, वो तो बीजेपी की है, वो तो इसकी है, वो तो उसकी है। आप फिल्म की बात कीजिए ना। कौन सा, मेरे को एक बात बताइए, हमने आज तक कितने स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस को हमने बैन किया है, उनके ऊपर हमने वो किया है, हल्ला गुल्ला तो होता ही है ना, 100% होता है। वो कौन मना कर रहा है आपको कि फिल्म की रिलीज से नहीं होगा? लेकिन जो काम है सेंसर बोर्ड का वो तो कीजिए ना, आप अपना काम तो कीजिए। आप वो काम इस वजह से नहीं रोक सकते कि वो तो बीजेपी की है, वो तो ऐश करने लग जाएगी, पार्लियामेंट चली जाएगी। आपको जो काम दिया गया सेंसर करने का, वो काम करके खत्म कीजिए। उसके बाद जो कोर्ट कह रही है कि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर है, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर करेगा ना। मैडम, गांधी फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी, उसमें गांधी को किसी ऑस्ट्रेलियन ने नहीं मारा था, किसी न्यूजीलैंड वाले ने नहीं मारा था। गांधी फिल्म में नथुराम गोडसे नहीं मारा था उसको, तो मराठी ब्राह्मण्स ने कोई सब कुछ जला नहीं दिया था। आई मीन इफ यू वांट टू मेक, या तो हम वही बनाते रहे सलीम अनारकली, हंकी डोरी, लूनी टाउन में। इफ समबडी वांट्स टू मेक एन ऑथेंटिक, बनानी है तो बनानी है ना फिल्म, ऑथेंटिक तो बनाएगा कोई आदमी। वेदर कंगना मेक्स और अनुभव सिन्हा मेक्स और अनुराग कश्यप मेक्स, है
authentic ho nahi ho, my point is everyone has a right to make the film they want to make and tell the story the way they see a story. I may agree with it, I may not agree with it. I don't agree with Kangana and the way she criticized Sikh farmers who were on protest. But Priyadarshini Singh, I'm just getting Priyadarshini Singh in. Priyadarshini Singh, is Kangana Ranaut actually paying the price for being a motor mouth? Ek minute Ravi ji, is Kangana Ranaut actually paying the price for being a motor mouth? आपने इतना कुछ सिख कम्युनिटी के बारे में बोल दिया कि इवन बिफोर द फिल्म इज रिलीज्ड, इवन बिफोर एनीवन हैज सीन द फिल्म, ऑल सिख्स हैव अज्यूम्ड कि आपने किया होगा तो कुछ काम क्रिटिकली किया होगा सिख्स को लेके।
गुड इवनिंग श्रेया and good evening to everybody in the panel. Personally, I think I was listening to Aruna ji and the kind of a hypocritic statement she was giving, I was pretty astonished by it, frankly. I don't know where their judgment goes when a movie like Animal comes out, where you try and show a cheater, a mentally discarded man in a more flamboyant position. You know, you are showing women there very naive and demean in a very demean manner. So you don't have a censorship. Where does your censorship and morality goes to the? I'm just surprised. Whereas in, you know, coming to the main movie point, Emergency, that is my point of view, you know, personally. And I think the movie should be released. Also, I agree with Rajiv Rai ji that, you know, on the backhand, there is a lot of team which is also there, who has put in their hard work and their money is there. So you can't waste money and the credit of the people who has also worked hard because you have a personal agenda and issue with somebody and somebody's political point of view. Okay, coming back to the Emergency movie, it should be released because something like this should be shown to this generation, where what happened to the Sikh in 1984 के दंगों में, what happened to the Sikh community, it should be definitely should be shown on the big television, big camera or big movie theater. Why? Because, you know, they always, you know, what happened recently. No, I'll tell you what. No, I'll tell you what. Recently, Mr. Rahul Gandhi on Washington, D.C., he went and he actually criticized and was criticizing Sikh community. You know, there the Sikh community doesn't have a problem. But a movie is getting released, everybody has a problem.
What are you saying? He didn't criticize the Sikh community. नहीं, Priyadarshini, don't misrepresent things on Mirror now. Criticize the Sikh community. He said if Sangh's ideology continues in India, that Sikhs may not be able to wear turbans and kadas in India. That is what he says. There was no criticism of the Sikh community. But Ravi Rai, it's a bit ironical.
No.
एक मिनट रुक जाइए. Abhi, this is not a Rahul bashing.
Yeah.
Okay, this is not a Rahul bashing session. This is not what we are talking about. Yes, please go ahead, Raviji. Priyadarshini, this is not about Rahul Gandhi. This is about emergency and Kangana Ranaut. Please stick to the subject. Ravi Rai.
Yeah. No, absolutely. This is not
Ravi
about...
Rai, please go ahead. 1 minute after Upchat.
Yeah. So my only point there is, Shreya, like I told you, we must get freedom to make films. And the duty of censor board is to say ha ya na. That's it. That's their job. I mean, she said a very right point. Wasn't animal... is there a very uniform civil code in CBSE? कि ये clear होना चाहिए, ये नहीं clear होना चाहिए. I mean, there have been films which have been in hot waters before this also. And suppose if somebody wants to make a film on emergency, or somebody wants to make a film on Godhra riots, or haven't films on Godhra riots been made? I mean, they have been made by both either parties on either side of the fences. They have been made. They have been cleared. I mean, every author. I mean, if you read the history on the freedom of India, different authors have different point of views. I mean, the point is we should be open enough to read and dislike it. I mean, it's our, whether we like it or we dislike it. There are so many versions of so many things.
And but therefore, Mr. Garewal...
I would wind up...
Yeah, you have a point. Therefore, Mr. Garewal...
No, just one minute. Only 1 minute. Your opening comments were that the Bombay High Court today observed... your opening comments were today that Bombay High Court observed that it's not the duty of the censor board to see law and order, it's a police job. Here I must inform the viewers and you also that the Supreme Court holds a different view. In the mercy petition decision of Mr. Balwant Singh Rajavana, the Union of India took a stand before the Honorable Supreme Court that the time is not right to decide the petition. If it is decided today, that will create chaos in Punjab. And you know what the Supreme Court judges observed? It directed the government of India to decide it at appropriate time when they feel that the things will be tackled peacefully. Now, saying this thing, Bombay High Court said,
Mr. Garewal, do you realize that this is a film on the emergency, a period when the Sikhs of this country were under attack? That is what her film is showing.
No.
Just because it has Jarnail Singh Bhinderwala being called a Khalistani, you have a problem with that.
No.
And you're not seeing the other side. You're not seeing the other side. Anyhow, the point is about the censor board. Mr. Garewal, the point is about the censor board. The censor board's duty is to say yes and no. And the problem with the censor board is it is not saying ha, it is not saying na, and that is where the problem lasts. Mr. Garewal, I am out of time. Thank you very much. I've heard you out.
1 minute.
Sir, I've heard you out. I'm afraid I'll have to wrap the show.
It has nothing to do with the emergency. He was nowhere on the scene in emergency. He came into scene in 1981.
What is he saying? What is he saying?
No,
it's nothing to do with the emergency.
Sir, आप क्या defend भी किसको कर रहे हैं? Aruna Mukhi, we leave it there. Mr. Garewal, thank you very much. This show is not to defend any Khalistanis. Thank you very much. Ravi Rai, good to have you on the show. And Priyadarshini Singh, thank you. No, I'm done. Priyadarshini Singh, thank you very much. The fact is, no ma'am, we are done. The censor board has to decide. It's not because we are saying it, it's because the Bombay High Court is saying it. By the 25th of September, they have to decide whether emergency will see the light of the day or not. And the court is making it very clear, you don't have to worry about whether there will be a law and order issue after the film is released, because the people of this country are smart enough not to take on face value what a film says. So let's not undermine the intelligence of this country and moviegoers. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, I'm slipping into a quick break on the show. There's more on the other side. Do stay with us.